Hi viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to make a custom QR code. For this purpose, first of all we will type here QR code creator and we will open this first link. Let me maximize this full size. So I will open this link and login or sign up options. If you are coming here first time, you are going to sign up. You can sign up with your Gmail account for quick sign up. Otherwise, they will required for your much many more fields like name and keyboard and go to dashboard. So I previously signed up, so that's because they are saying this. They are the three QR codes I have created before, so I will go to create a new QR code from scratch for you. Dynamic codes, that's your code type. Okay, these are the types or categories for which you can create a QR code. I will go with this V card plus share personalized contact details type. This is the demo of how it will look like. We'll go to the next and let go here with. So here is the themes option. You can change. I will go this theme or dark purple, whatever you like. And this add button icon color, you can choose any of. I will upload the image which will come here. After this name, okay, I see, yes, bye. And you can see this interface is created side by side. Whatever we are going to type here, they will display here. And after we will create our QR code and scan that code, this interface will be displayed. Our yeah, we can write here any arbitrary email for the demo purposes. So your job, what we're gonna write, software engineer, if your address x y z, whatever you can write. Here, if we have any website link, you can right here. I have no website, so I am going to paste our YouTube channel link here in summary page. Whatever you write here, the summary will come here. So here also I will paste our YouTube channel link. So this is the demo what we have created. So this is the welcome screen. So this screen display your logo while low page is loading. So when you scan any QR code and you click on the link, it takes some time to go to the content page. This is the content page or interface, whatever you call. Then that duration it takes some time in seconds. So what you want to display in that time and that duration. So this image will come there. So this welcome screen will take place what I have selected, like this was the demo. You can if you missed, you can watch it again by watch your video. So here the advanced options. Okay, this will add this share button. This share button if you want to share this content details with any of your friend. So I simply go next. So our content or our interface page is ready. So now we have to and give the shape of our QR code. This is the default QR code they provide, but we can customize it like any frames. What you will like, you can choose from these and go from our frames. For other options, I will go without any border or any frame. Color of will choose sky blue color. These are completely options, whatever you prefer. This is your about this is up to you. And if you can change here the outer box colors and the inner dots too. Then I'm going to reverse it. It looks not much good, but right. So this design is, I think, yeah. So this design is ready, I think. But if we can want to add some logo here between here, we can choose there. These are logos, and I can upload any my image or logo here. That will come take space. This place. So here it is. So we can download here, or we can see what options they are giving us to download: PNG format, JPEG, and SVGs. SVG icons for if we want to integrate the QR code on some applications like website or any web applications, so we will go with SVGs. It will take the our QR code, the details that's it will not blurred and very good to see, but I will share on WhatsApp or something else, so I will go with PNG format. It's downloading here. So here it's downloaded. Let's check what I have created. So this is the customized QR code that we have created. If we scan this QR code, the same content page what we have written in these fields will show up, and the welcome screen, the what I have told you earlier, the duration in which you scanned and the duration between loading the content page, and the welcome screen will come, and that was just only this logo. So thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you.